All right, weekenders. You're here with Weekends with the Winsteads. We're staying club level at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Let's check it out. at Wilderness Lodge, club level. We finally got our room ready, so let's go inside and see how it is. Nice. There's a bathroom, a shower. Pretty decent.
Look, they left us a care package.
They did. We got toothbrushes. It seems like 2 of them. Shaving kit. Look at that. Well, oh, shower. I need that, right? Vanity kit. Mouthwash.
Hand soap, body lotion.
Yeah. They no longer give the little bottles out anymore. It's only the little tubs now, so you can't get the little individuals. Just those right there. That looks good. Little artwork.
Beverage cooler. Not a refrigerator.
Yeah, correct. Beverage cooler. We got that. We got a Keurig. Little K-cups. Boom. Look at that.
Ooh,
little hidden stash.
Storage. Ooh, a steamer.
Oh, there you go. Handheld steamer and a little safe to, put your belongings in, whatever. Look at that. 2 bathrobes and slippers. I like. King size bed. Perfect. We got a little work area if you need to, I don't know, catch up on something last minute.
Look at the wallpaper behind the bed. There's even...
That is wallpaper.
Oh,
and look at that. Yeah, and also, the balcony also has a view to Magic Kingdom. So when there's fireworks, look at that, folks. We're right here, front row seat. Ain't gotta wait in line over there at Magic Kingdom since we already been this morning. So watch fireworks out here. Have a couple beverages. The artwork.
Paul Bunyan and Babe.
There we go. I like that. And it's funny, they give you these little plastic beverage coolers so you can, put some grog juice in or orange juice, whatever, whatever your kick is. And they also give you this little totem pole chocolate log. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Contains milk, soy, wheat, which is the allergy warning. Nice. Look at that. Nice little stamp. All right. We're going to enjoy our stay now, and we hope you get to experience club level. So we're going to have a great weekend. We hope you do too. And thank you for tuning in with Weekends with the Winsteads. We'll see you later.